This is Taj English Academy. I'm your lecturer speaker, Dr. Taj Firdousi. My dear students, ladies and gentlemen, with regard to the speaking of English, the spoken style, I told you that the spoken should be according to American or British accents. No more accents, no more styles. Only two. Either you speak British or the accents. If someone asks you, what is the difference between the British and the American English? The best thing is that just turn on any of the films from UK, for example, James Bond, and just any of these Hollywood, you can see that it's all American. So it's very easy. In American, maybe you will get some kind of differences with their nasal tone and whatever it may. But the language is the same for both. That's all. We have to follow either American or British or even both mixed. Doesn't matter. But no third and no fourth, no your language mixing style, I told you. Therefore, we shall start with the sound of American. The sounds, for example, fricative, R, brother, sister, doctor, American. British, doctor, brother, sister. R is not pronounced openly in British. Brother, doctor is British. Brother, sister, that's American way. There are very slight differences, that's all. And the diphthongs too much in British. For example, today, so in America, it's very simple. The people say today, day, so, now. So that's minor differences. You can watch those two from the films, British films and the American Hollywood films. You can easily make out. That's very important. The most important point here is if someone speaks very fast, has he mastered language? No. Speaking fast is not at all a mastery in language. Mastery on language doesn't mean fast speaking. For example, if I say, my dear students, ladies and gentlemen, today I am going to speak to you something about the phonetics and the phonetics, the sounds, the study of sounds, which is going to teach you, what is the blah, 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 blah. You will say, headache. Yes, I can speak. How many words per minute? 200, 250, 300 words. But nonsense. That's not mastery. The language means communication of your ideas to the listener. You convey your message, your ideas, and the listener takes the message completely. 100% you are the master of that language. You can convey the message. That's very simple. In communication, by doing that, the action of the body is very important. For example, I don't know. See, the man can say, I don't know. Yes, you are right. No, it's gone. Look at these actions. These actions speak. Silence speaks. Actions speak. And you can give that extra note, extra background music with your movement of the body. That was the first sign of the language in the world. When man or the human beings didn't talk, they were communicating with their actions. If they want to say why, like that. If he is angry, if he is happy, if he loves, actions, that's all. And asking him to sit with respect. And if he says get out, action, only the action. So the first form of the communication in the human being was the action and the dance. The dance is the movement of the body with hands and legs and head and without any sounds of languages. That's all. That's it. So, when you speak, see that you are communicating perfectly. It's not necessary that you should copy. You should copy the actions by saying, I don't know, I don't know. Don't copy anything. That's not actually the language. It comes by itself. If you speak something and if you are happy, you can. But the most important thing is never speak, never try to speak fast and faster and fast. Give the full length of the voice, full, complete voice structure to the word. Therefore, don't say therefore. Therefore, I'd like to tell you, not I'd like to tell you, I want to tell you. I'd like to tell you, I'd like to tell you, I'd like to tell you today, not today. So, gentlemen, in my next lecture, I'm going to speak to you more about speaking properly, clearly, the communication of words in